Greetings, everyone. I'm Dr. Elena Vasquez, an AI researcher with over 2 decades of experience building and studying the algorithms that quietly shape our world. Today, I'm here to take you on a journey through the invisible revolution of artificial intelligence and machine learning, technologies no longer confined to research labs or tech giants. They're woven into the daily lives of every one of us, from farmers in rural villages to executives in bustling cities, from students to retirees. AI and ML are not just tools for specialists. They're empowering everyone, regardless of profession, culture, or location. Let's dive into practical examples that show how these technologies are transforming the way we live, work, and connect, often without us even noticing. Let's begin with something universal: your morning routine. Whether you're a teacher in Mumbai, a mechanic in Lagos, or a retiree in Tokyo, AI is already at work before you've had your coffee. Consider your smartphone alarm. If you use a wearable device like a Fitbit, Apple Watch, or even a budget fitness tracker, machine learning algorithms, specifically recurrent neural networks, analyze your sleep patterns. They process data on heart rate variability, movement, and REM cycles to predict the optimal moment to wake you, ensuring you feel refreshed. Studies show these systems can improve sleep quality by up to 20% for regular users, boosting productivity across all walks of life. Then there's your morning scroll. When you open apps like X or Instagram, recommendation algorithms powered by collaborative filtering curate your feed. These models analyze billions of user interactions, likes, shares, and dwell times to surface content tailored to your interests. Whether you're a construction worker following DIY tips or a student exploring study hacks, these algorithms ensure relevance, subtly shaping how you start your day. Now let's step into healthcare, where AI's impact is both profound and deeply human. Machine learning is democratizing access to medical expertise. Take diagnostic tools, deep learning models, like those developed by Google's DeepMind or IBM Watson Health, analyze medical images, X-rays, MRIs, or CT scans, with accuracy rivaling or surpassing human radiologists. For instance, a 2023 study showed that AI systems detected breast cancer in mammograms with 94% accuracy, catching subtle patterns invisible to the human eye. This isn't just for urban hospitals. Cloud-based AI tools are reaching rural clinics in places like sub-Saharan Africa, enabling nurses to diagnose conditions with portable ultrasound devices. For the average person, AI-powered health apps like Ada or Babylon Health are game changers. You input symptoms, say a persistent cough, and natural language processing cross-references your data against millions of anonymized patient records. The app suggests possible causes and whether you need a doctor, empowering everyone from factory workers to freelancers. In remote areas with few doctors, these tools are a lifeline, bridging gaps in access to care. Transportation is another arena where AI touches everyone. If you've used Google Maps or Waze, you've benefited from reinforcement learning algorithms that predict traffic patterns. These models ingest real-time data, GPS signals, accident reports, even weather updates, to suggest the fastest route, saving time and fuel. Globally, navigation apps reduce commuting time by an estimated 15% on average, impacting everyone from delivery drivers in São Paulo to school teachers in Sydney. Then there's autonomous driving. Companies like Tesla and Waymo use deep neural networks to process data from cameras, LiDAR, and radar, enabling vehicles to navigate complex environments. Tesla's autopilot, for example, relies on convolutional neural networks to identify pedestrians, traffic signs, and lane markings, making roads safer. Beyond personal cars, AI is revolutionizing agriculture. Farmers in places like Punjab use drones equipped with computer vision to monitor crop health, detecting pest infestations or nutrient deficiencies with 90% accuracy, optimizing yields and reducing pesticide use. In our leisure time, AI curates experiences with remarkable precision. Streaming platforms like Netflix or YouTube rely on collaborative filtering and content-based recommendation systems. Netflix's algorithms, for instance, analyze viewing histories across 250 million subscribers to suggest shows you'll love. This isn't just for tech-savvy urbanites. A retiree in a small town discovers documentaries on history, while a teenager in Jakarta finds new music on Spotify. Spotify's Discover Weekly uses natural language processing to analyze lyrics and audio features, creating playlists that feel personal, connecting listeners to artists worldwide. Even gaming benefits. AI-driven non-player characters, NPCs, in games like Red Dead Redemption 2, use reinforcement learning to adapt to player actions, creating immersive worlds. For casual gamers, mobile apps like Candy Crush employ AI to adjust difficulty dynamically, keeping players engaged without frustration. In the workplace, AI is a force multiplier across industries. In finance, fraud detection systems powered by anomaly detection algorithms monitor transactions in real time. Banks like JP Chase use these models to flag suspicious activity, protecting customers, whether they're shopkeepers or CEOs, from cyber threats. In retail, AI optimizes inventory. Walmart uses predictive models to forecast demand, reducing waste and ensuring shelves stay stocked. Education is transforming too. Platforms like Duolingo or Khan Academy use adaptive learning algorithms to tailor lessons to individual progress. A student in rural Brazil learning English gets exercises matched to their skill level, while a corporate trainer in London uses similar tools for professional development. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance systems analyze sensor data to predict equipment failures, reducing downtime for factories worldwide. A 2024 report estimated that such systems save industries $500 billion annually. A student on a tablet, with AI adjusting lesson difficulty, followed by a factory with machines humming smoothly. Creatives aren't left out. Tools like Adobe Sensei use generative AI to automate repetitive tasks, color correction, background removal, freeing photographers and designers to focus on artistry. Writers use AI tools like Grammarly, which leverages natural language processing to refine prose, benefiting everyone from bloggers to corporate communicators. What ties these examples together is accessibility. AI isn't just for engineers or elites, it's for everyone. Farmers use AI to boost harvests. Nurses save lives with diagnostic tools. Commuters save time with navigation apps. And artists amplify creativity with AI assistance. Machine learning models, whether neural networks, decision trees, or clustering algorithms, are trained on vast datasets, learning patterns that make our lives more efficient, informed, and connected. But this revolution comes with responsibility. As AI integrates deeper, we must ensure it's inclusive, ethical, and transparent. Bias in algorithms, like those used in hiring or lending, can perpetuate inequality if not addressed. My work over the years has taught me that AI's power lies in amplifying human potential, but only if we guide it wisely. As we stand in 2025, AI and machine learning are no longer distant concepts. They're the invisible threads weaving through our lives. From the moment you wake to the shows you watch, the roads you travel, and the work you do, these technologies are there, quietly empowering you. So next time you check your phone, drive to work, or stream a song, pause and think. You're not just living your life, you're living with AI. And that's a future worth embracing.